by Sam.
Yeah, so thank you so much for coming. I would just like to note that this is a love song from me to Lena and from Lena to me, I think. Because she left me all last year. I was the only one in our grade, and now she's back with me, and it's been a joy. And next semester's our last, sorry, I can't.